2 billion active users on WhatsApp on an everyday basis, and just look at the market potential. I mean, it is beyond huge, it is just beyond huge. So today I'm going to take you through the difference between the regular WhatsApp Messenger app and WhatsApp Business app. So what is the difference? I'm not going to take you through a very technical tour and make this boring, but I just want to give some, say, top 5 features that there on WhatsApp Business and not on the regular WhatsApp Messenger that we use. These features can be amazing and can be a very good handy. It can be very handy and of good use for your business, or if you're a professional, or if you're a homemaker running a boutique or a bakery, or some sort of home-based business as well. So what are the 5 features of WhatsApp Business that the regular WhatsApp Messenger does not have, right? The first one is you can set up a business profile on WhatsApp Business. What's a business profile? You can add your company details, your your address, your products, your catalog, and things like that. So first difference is in WhatsApp Business, you can have your business profile. The second one, of course, you can have your business description. You can add your products. You can add the prices of the products. You can add the location. You can add your website. You can give amazing details for any customer to find you very easily. That is the second feature. What's the third? There's an amazing cool feature of WhatsApp Business is that you don't have to really sit online throughout all the time, and at the same time when you're a business, you're very conscious that you have to be very responsive to the customers and reply to them as soon as they message you, right? So in this regard, WhatsApp has a cool feature called quick replies. You can set quick replies with, predefined text, whatever you want, like, hello, welcome to WhatsApp Business Mastery, for example, with your business name or your profession or whatever it is. And then, so immediately when a customer sends a message to you, there's an automated feature that goes saying with your predefined hello message. So that is one cool feature which is called the quick replies. And then there's also greeting message. As soon as somebody says, hi, I have a query about your so-and-so product, and you can set a quick reply saying, hello, welcome to WhatsApp Business Mastery. How can I help you? So these quick replies, these greeting messages come in very, very handy when it especially comes to customer communication, being very responsive to customers and things like that. And the last feature that I want to discuss today with you is you can organize your chats in the WhatsApp Business account in a very effective manner. There's a cool feature called labels on WhatsApp Business. So you can segregate your chats. Let's say you are into product business and you are selling, maybe food products. So what you can say, you might have, say, 100 customers on your WhatsApp Business account, and you can segregate them. Okay, these are new leads. These are repeated customers. These are regular customers. These are the customers who have already paid for this particular offer or order or something, a promotion that you came up with. You can really organize your chats in an effective manner so that you really don't have to scroll. You remember, even in a regular WhatsApp, if you have to search or look out for somebody and you don't really remember the name of that person, you really have to scroll up and up and up. So that you can totally avoid by organizing your chats in an effective manner. So these are the 5 features which a WhatsApp Messenger app does not have, but WhatsApp Business app has it. And you can use these to the full potential, to be very responsive to the customer, to have a good communication. Now tell me one thing, when you're very good at communicating with customers, you automatically start building a following. You automatically start building a community of your customers. And the best part is WhatsApp Business is totally free. It's 100% free app to use. And when you have that community built around you, when you are very responsive in the terms of communication with your customer, it automatically creates trust, right? And once the trust bond is built with your customer, come on, whatever you sell, whatever you market, that customer is going to go and buy it from you, right? So that is the main agenda. Customer responsiveness, building a following, building trust, and of course, sell whatever, and they are going to buy it from you. Yeah, and there are some successful businesses, including my other business, which is Desi Meals. I'm also, I also have another business called Desi Meals, where I manufacture packaged, ready-to-eat food products. And we have used this WhatsApp business app to the full potential, and you will be amazed to see the results, which I'll be going and taking you through in the coming live session slowly. So we got dazzled, the tremendous results we have achieved. And we have already been taking product orders, marketing our products on that. We have receiving feedback and so many more things that you can explore with WhatsApp business. So these were the 5 features that is different from the regular WhatsApp Messenger. Now, you might all have a question, okay, I already have a personal WhatsApp on my phone. How do I have the WhatsApp business? Now, you need a different phone number for WhatsApp business. But if you want to use your same personal number as your business number as well, you can also convert your existing WhatsApp account to personal account to a business account. Otherwise, if you have a dual SIM phone, just go grab one more SIM card, take a number, put it on your phone, download the WhatsApp business app and set up your account there. So on the same device, on the same phone, you can also use your regular WhatsApp, and you can also use your WhatsApp business account and stay connected with your customers wherever you are, wherever you go, anytime, anywhere. So that is something, a very good thing to have. I would really recommend on the same phone have both the WhatsApps. This is my personal experience, because it's very easy, because your phone is something, it's a part of your body these days, right? So you're checking your phone, I don't know, 1 trillion times a day. At least I do that. So this is my suggestion, and go on and create your first WhatsApp business profile and check out and come back and let me know, okay, what were the things you found something interesting, or did you see any results by using WhatsApp business with your customers? Whatever is it, you can come back and tell me in the comments. Just come back, come to the same video thread, or you can just come on our wall, post your, your winnings, your achievements, or what new thing that you found, things like that. I will be more than amazed to help you out and, take you through this journey where you can build an online community of your customers who trust in you, who know you, who, they're just fond of you.